Let's cut to the chase. We've all been there, haven't we? Chasing that elusive dream of the ultimate action camera, the one that promises to tag along on every wild ride, snag every epic moment, and spit out footage so crisp it could make a pro jealous. But time and again, we've shelled out the cash, only to watch it crumble under pressure. The heartbreaking shutdown from overheating just as the sun dips low, the battery gasping its last breath right when the action heats up, or that gut-punch realization back home that your stable clip is a jittery disaster. Sound familiar? It's like the universe's cruel joke on adventure seekers everywhere. What's the one glitch that's wrecked your shoot the most? Hit the comments and spill it. Let's commiserate and maybe crowdsource a fix. So when DJI unveiled the Osmo Action 6, I approached it with the wariness of someone who's been through too many false dawns. The hype machine was in full swing. A sensor that a beast, stabilization smoother than a pro gimbal, batteries that shrug off the freeze, and run times that actually deliver. It echoed those old too-good-to-be-true pitches that left us high and dry before. But could this be the turning point? The device that shatters a pattern of near misses and actually follows through? Over the next half hour, we're not just unpacking this camera. We're subjecting it to a full-on interrogation. We'll crank every dial, stress test every boast, and hunt down any hidden cracks. You're the judge here, and the ruling could rewrite the rules for what we expect from these pocket-sized powerhouses. Unboxing it for the first time, it's different. There's this immediate heft that commands respect, like holding a tool forged for fray rather than some flimsy gadget. The metal chassis is cool and unyielding, screaming durability from a jump. Built to bounce back from the tumbles, it was born to film. Flip to the rear, and that OLED screen greets you. Expansive, vivid, snappy under your thumb. Then swivel it forward and bam, the real revelation. A front touchscreen that's no mere status ticker. It's a live, interactive window into your frame. Perfect for those solo vlog setups where nailing your shot means seeing yourself in real time. No more blind faith or awkward guesswork. It's a lifeline for creators flying solo, turning close enough into spot on. But the design's true wizardry? That magnetic mount system DJI is betting the farm on. Once it clicks into your routine, those fiddly old thumb screws feel like relics from a bygone era. It's a duo of magnets and spring-loaded pins that lock with an audible, reassuring thud, secure enough for the roughest rides. Picture this. You're bombing down a trail on your bike, helmet cam locked in, but you spot a killer low-angle opportunity. Pull over, detach with flick, reattach to your chest rig, and boom, you're rolling again in seconds, not fumbling through minutes. That's the edge between seizing the thrill and letting it slip away. And practicality seals the deal. IPX8 waterproofing plunges to 18 meters sans housing, deeper than your average splash session demands. Whether you're carving waves, snorkeling reefs, or dodging a downpour. Controls are intuitive too, a lone record button crowning the top, flanked by a side power slider that's glove-friendly and foolproof. All told, it's a design that doesn't just endure, it anticipates, earning straight 10s for grit and glide. Yet a sleek shell is worthless if the visuals flop, right? That's where the Osmo Action 6 steps up and swings for the fences. At its core sits a 1/1.3-inch sensor, a giant in action cam terms. And for the uninitiated, that spells game-changing light capture. It thrives as dusk creeps in, banishing that pesky grain from low-light shadows and yielding footage that's lush, detailed, alive. Size alone won't cut it, though. Enter DJI's 10-bit D-Log M profile, the unsung hero for storytellers. It lays down a neutral canvas. Flat on arrival, sure, but packed with latitude. Highlights that don't bleach out, shadows brimming with nuance. In the edit bay, it's your playground, letting you sculpt tones, blend seamlessly with drone clips or that beast of a mirrorless rig you splurge on. We drag it through hellish scenarios. Blistering noon glare that flattens everything flat, and it clung to sky details like a lifeline. Dapple woods where sun spears pierce ink-black shade, and textures pop without mercy. Dynamic range? Chef's kiss. Top it off with 4K at 120 frames per second. Hello. Liquid slow that morphs a mere ripple into mesmerizing poetry, a luxury once gated behind four-figure price tags. Audio's long been the Achilles heel of the genre, a windy whisper best. But the Action 6 flips the script with its trio of mics and smart wind baffling that delivers. Strapped to a bike at 20 miles per hour, my narration cut through clean, no muffled roar to salvage in post. It's no studio lav, but it'll rescue a raw vlog from the trash bin more times than you can count. Game saver, full stop. Gorgeous visuals and solid sound are table stakes. But the soul of any action cam? Keeping the chaos steady. DJI dubs there's Rocksteady 3.0 Plus, and we didn't tiptoe around testing it. We charge headlong. Full tilt sprints over jagged terrain, handlebar lashings on an MTB tearing through root-riddled descents that'd normally yield nausea-inducing blur. The result? Ethereal glide, as if suspended by invisible wires. No gimbal required. Just point and pursue freedom. Then they layer on 360 degrees horizon lock. Pure sorcery. Invert the rig mid-spin, cartwheel through powder or turf, and the line stays laser level, banishing that vertigo vortex. Envision carving black diamond runs or tumbling in a freestyle frenzy. Your clip emerges composed, horizon true, begging to be shared. It's the alchemy of algorithms, empowering wild risks with the safety net of salvageable gold, incredible optics, ironclad steadying, a frame that is clever as it is bulletproof. This borders on too flawless, doesn't it? Surely there's a catch, the shadow that looms over every contender in this arena. GoPro. For ages, the yardstick was, does it measure up? But flip the script. Does a hero stack up to the Action 6? We line them up, the freshest from each camp, and the contrast leaped out. Under flawless sun, they're neck and neck. GoPro's edge is at punchy etched sharpness, all digital vibrancy. DJI leans filmic nuance with a whisper of warmth. Pick your poison, both dazzle. Steadying? Dead heat again. Hypersmooth is thrown unchallenged, but Rocksteady matches stride for stride. The decider, though? Real-life grit. Tripod twins. For K/60 locked in, ambient temps, and hit play. Cue the GoPro's feverish alert, then blackout. Poof! Done. The Action 6? Marathon till the cell's tapped out. Cool as a cucumber, zero thermal tantrums. Translate that. Full game coverage for Junior's match, not a teaser. Dashcam duty through sweltering commutes without a hitch. Trust forged in fire. Battery saga amps it up. DJI's Enduro cells tout Arctic resilience, so we freezer shock them both for an hour's chill. Emerge record. GoPro nosedive in under 20. A shivering specter. Action 6? Business as usual, nearly matching balmy benchmarks. 4 powder hounds, frostbitten anglers, or any cold climb crusader. It's the clincher, the chasm between immortalizing the freeze and freezing out your footage. Workflow whispers a final word. Magnets outpace screws for swaps. Dual screens eclipse for self-shoots. Interfaces flow sand friction. You're in command, not combat. DJI didn't ape the champ. They audited the gripes, the thermal meltdowns, the fleeting juice, the clunky dance, and engineered antidotes. So, the gavel falls. We've dissected the visuals, battered the balance, iced the power packs, and seen the rival fold. The Osmo Action 6 transcends a trope. It's evolved, attuned, born from heating the chorus of creators, chroniclers, and casual chargers fed up with footnotes. Overheating? Obliterated. Endurance? Eternal. Usability? Utterly intuitive. Flawless? Nah. No rig is dim-lit depth impressed for its breed, but won't dethrone your nocturnal beast, and ultra-wide edges nudge toward warp. Yet its bedrock? Unwavering dependability. The holy grail that turns what if into watch this. Tailor-made for pros needing a trusty sidekick that grades like the A-Team, vloggers craving front flip ease, mic magic, and marathon mic. Thrill seekers whose sports demand shake-proof shells and sub-zero stamina. Even everyday folks chronicling beach blasts or bleacher cheers, sand-setting stress or power panics. The myth's busted. The asterisks erased. This isn't hype. It's hardware that hands you the win. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.